Ever pondered the ins and outs of the keto diet? It seems to be the talk of the town in health circles. Welcome back to the Health Coach channel, where we unravel the intricacies of health trends for your benefit. Today, we're delving into the keto diet, dissecting its pros and cons to give you a comprehensive overview. So what exactly is the keto diet? Essentially, it's a diet high in fats, moderate in proteins, and low in carbohydrates. The aim? To push your body into a metabolic state known as ketosis, where fat becomes the primary energy source. This diet, originally crafted to manage seizures in epilepsy patients, has since stolen the limelight for its potential weight loss and health benefits. Let's dive into the pros of the keto diet. Firstly, weight loss. The keto diet's main allure is its potential for rapid weight loss. By slashing carbs, your body turns to burning fat for fuel. Research indicates that people on a ketogenic diet often shed more weight than those on low-fat diets, even when calories consumed are identical. Secondly, improved blood sugar control. For those wrestling with fluctuating blood sugar levels, particularly those with type 2 diabetes, the keto diet could be a revelation. A lower carb intake leads to more stable blood sugar and insulin levels. Thirdly, increased energy and mental clarity. Many keto diet followers report heightened energy levels and sharper mental acuity. This can be traced back to the stabilizing effect on blood sugar, which wards off the energy slumps associated with high-carb diets. Lastly, there are a host of other reported benefits, including improved cholesterol levels, reduced acne, and even potential cancer-fighting properties. However, these areas warrant further research. Now let's examine the cons of the keto diet. First, nutrient deficiencies. Eliminating entire food groups can result in deficiencies in essential nutrients found in fruits, grains, and some vegetables. While supplements can assist, they cannot fully replace a balanced diet. Second, the infamous keto flu. Some individuals, upon embarking on the keto diet, experience symptoms such as headaches, fatigue, and irritability. Other side effects may include bad breath, constipation, and sleep disturbances. Third, sustainability and lifestyle impact. Adhering to a strict keto diet can be a daunting task. Dining out or sharing meals with friends can become a challenge, potentially affecting your social life and long-term commitment to the diet. Lastly, potential health risks. There are concerns about the long-term health implications, including possible strain on the liver and kidneys, elevated risk of heart disease, and nutrient deficiencies. Let's take a closer look at some specific examples of keto-friendly foods and meals. This will give you a clearer picture of what a day on the keto diet might entail. For breakfast, consider scrambled eggs with spinach cooked in butter, accompanied by a side of avocado. Or, for a quick option, try a smoothie with almond milk, spinach, peanut butter, and a keto protein powder. Lunch could be a hearty leafy green salad with grilled chicken, cheese, nuts, avocado, and an olive oil-based dressing. For dinner, consider grilled salmon with a side of roasted Brussels sprouts in olive oil. Or, for a vegetarian option, try zucchini noodles, zoodles, with pesto and mushrooms. With these meal ideas, it's clear that the keto diet can be diverse and flavorful. Whether you're considering keto for weight loss, health reasons, or simply out of curiosity, remember to always consult with healthcare professionals. If this video piqued your interest, do hit the like button and share it with anyone who might find it valuable. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel.